Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Belkin 6-outlet power strip with a 3-foot power cord, and it's not very expensive. It delivers a 15 amp power strip equipped with six three-prong outlets. Reliably delivers power to chargers, workstations, and other devices. The 3-foot cord is flexible for positioning, so you can see it's nice and flexible. And its slim design, it fits easily behind furniture and tight spaces, and it has a rocker switch that enables easy operations of turning on and off the switch. So I bought this because I needed something next to my bed to plug in all of my accessories, like my iPad, my iPhone, my computer. I've used it for a little bit and I'm liking the results. I've had no problem. I've always had an affinity for the Belkin company. I always find that their stuff is reasonably priced, and it also it works well. I don't remember any Belkin things actually dying on me, so I've never had to run to the store to replace something and replace a Belkin product. So one really great thing about it, I of course love that it comes with 6 power, I can't even remember what the name that is, power sockets. And it's thin, it's light, it's a good price point. It's something that is a necessity, especially with all the electronics that we have now. And this one I have found to be the best of the products for power strips. I also, in my city, I actually bought 2 of these. In my city, they have these scooters called bird scooters, and they're powered by Segways. And at around 9 o'clock at night, you can round them up, take them home, and charge 3 of them, and then put them back on the street in a specific space for use the next day, and they will pay you out a certain amount of money to charge these scooters. So not only did I need one for the side of my bed, I needed an extra one to charge these scooters because it'll make me just a little extra money. They have a way where it's easy to find the bird scooters. There's somewhat hard to find bird scooters, and then there's really hard to find bird scooters. And if you can find those are the ones that make the most money. The only problem is you have to have them back out on the street at 7 a.m. So, but this is a great power strip. If you want to save energy, you can turn the thing off during the day so it's not pulling any charge from your power source. Yeah, it's a great product overall. It's thin, as you can see. It's thin, it's round. It has a nice bendy 3-foot cord, which should give you enough room from the wall to get it to where you need to get it to. You can go even with even more basic products, and they are more expensive than the Belkin. So basically, Belkin says expand your home's connectivity with the Belkin 6 outlet power strip, equipped with 6 three-prong outlets. This power strip allows you to plug in and power up to 6 gadgets at the same time. And the convenient rocker switch makes it easy to turn the power strip on and off. Thanks to its slim, low-profile design, the power strip fits easily in tight spaces, making it ideal for homes where space is a premium. And what's included is just the 6 outlet power strip with the 3-foot cord. It has a nice low profile design, and like I said, a convenient master switch. And I went through and I did my comparing and found that the best price for this product was the Belkin. And so I went ahead and got 2 of them. And let's see how long it is. I guess it's 80 by 3.6 inches by 1.6 inches. So it would be maybe 80 millimeters. The reviews are good about the product. I have nothing bad to say about it. It's a great surge protector. Yeah, like I said, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.